Balen. Welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, another staycation. I'm gonna be introducing to you guys. This is Casa De Leoncia. Samahan niyo po ako. I wanna show you more about this place. Let's go! Dito tayo ngayon sa pool area. To be honest guys, one of the biggest pool na napuntahan namin or napagstayan namin, no? I think this is more than 80 square meters, no? Malaki talaga siya, ayan, no? It's actually sectioned, meron siyang for kids and then meron din siya for adults. The time is around 5:34 and this is how it looks like. Napakaganda, napaka romantic actually for a sunset. Although di na natin siya masyadong nakikita dito. That's the second floor, first floor. Yung second floor natin, meron pa siyang living area actually. Sa first level, notice meron tayong sections for table, no? Small groups, mga ganyan. Although dun sa banda doon, meron tayong malaking table din for dining. And ayun, from here, meron tayong access sa tatlong rooms. The first, second, and the third. These two are identical, pareho lang yan. It can accommodate siguro ito around 6. But the first room over there, actually more than 10. Ang laki nun. Now, dito pa rin sa first level, meron tayong entertainment area, which is this one. So, beat it kayo dito, all you can. Dahil wala tayong katabi na residential and everything. Sabi nung owner natin dito, hanggang 12 midnight, pwede pa kang kumanta dito. Yun. Hi, Isa. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Yay. So, another section for gathering is this one. Good siya for talk, chit-chat. And then actually, if you notice guys, yung first level natin, it can actually turn into an events place, no? Matter of fact guys, habang nagvo-vlog tayo kanina dito, may nag-ocular and they are actually planning to have a parang ballroom session. So sayawan. So imagine guys, so ito, you can actually turn this into your dance floor or whatever event na gusto nyong gawin dito. So meron tayong basketball area. Again, parking din siya. Siguro parking natin up until 8, more than 8 to 10 siguro, no? So indoor parking tayo. And then here, hi guys! Isa pa sa mga amenity dito is the kitchen and yung counter table natin. Ito yon. So again, you can actually turn it into another dining place. Pwede din kumain dito for your breakfast or your merienda. And then in here, meron tayong sink, yung mga usual na appliances na kailangan natin. And then dito, you can actually cook here. Ito, yun. Pagdating nyo dito guys, no need to worry sa mga cooking wares. No? May mga kaldera tayo dito, your stove, additional tables, ito yon. And yung mga plates, cutleries, kompleto dito. So we would also want to thank Frado's Grill for our dinner. Actually guys, si Frado's Grill, one of the first restaurants na na-feature natin sa may Balibago, Pampanga. Around 2017 pa. Kanyang feature tayo. So, tintamong, what is this? Wow, kare-kare. Look at that. And this one. Wow! Sisig. Sisig. We also have a pizza. The pizza. Ilalaglag. Na? Wow. Thank you so much, Frado's Grill, for the dinner. Pizza from Frado's Grill. 2017. Ayan o guys, oh. Mag-start sa Pakanita. Bala mo, 2 months, 3 months siya pa mo anyang finiture tayo guys. And then right now, ilan na? Going 6 months? 6 years? Pizza. Pizza. Alright, good morning guys. This is our second and final day. And grabe, ang sarap ng tulog namin. We were actually super relaxed. Although we stayed up late up until 1 a.m. Kwentuhan lang kami. I gotta say, I gotta commend, no? Ang sarap ng pool natin dito. Quality of the water is superb. Masarap magbabad. This is the second level. Parang living area dito sa my second floor. It has an entertainment system, Netflix, YouTube. You can enjoy it here. Also guys, dito, meron pang isang room. It's actually parang a dorm type room, no? It can accommodate up until 20. I think yun yung maximum na capacity niya, guys. That was it. Time to go. Thank you so much, Casa De Leoncia, for inviting us. Please, if you like this video, please do share it with your friends. Also, check out staycations.ph. We're gonna be posting this content doon sa website na po yun. And if you have any questions, please, again, comment at the comment section, leave them there, or message the fan page we're gonna be including in this post. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye, guys.